In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error java.net socket exception connection reset on Windows 11 or 10. Let's start by opening the control panel. Click on the search bar below and then search for control panel and open it. Now open network and internet. Then select network and sharing center. On the side, change adapter settings. Now right-click on the internet connection and select Properties. In here, click on the Internet Protocol version and choose Properties. Now check the option Use the following DNS server addresses and enter the address on preferred DNS server. Send for the alternative DNS server. After that, click OK. Now close all the windows and go back to your desktop. Now click on the search bar below and search for the command prompt. Now play run as administrator. In here, type this command and press enter. After that, type this command again and press enter. Type this another command and click enter. Now wait for it to complete the process. And as for the last command, type this command and press enter again. After doing that, update your Java and restart your computer, and that should fix the problem. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.